Welcome! In front of me I have Poco Watch and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on our phone. Let me actually reopen it like this. And once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on the device page, you should see the Poco Watch. And under it, there should be this banner or category called Manage Watch Faces. Tap on it to select it. And here we have the online store. And what we are looking for is the custom category. It's right here at the top. Tap on the custom. And here we have four types of watch faces. We have digital 3, 2, 1 and all hands. Basically they differ by position of the clock, as you can see, and the one is basically hands, so not digital clock but the analog clock. So select the type of the watch face you like. I like the, let's say, the bottom, so the digital 2. We can also customize the style. So basically styles allow you to select which kind of widget is gonna be at the top. We have the battery, the weather, the steps, the heart rate, and no widget. So select the one you like. I'm gonna select battery, for example. Then we can scroll down and then we have the plus button and we can tap on it to add our background. And you have two options, photos and photos, basically the photo apps on our phone. I'm gonna select this one. It will open the photos app, and here you can select the, for example, album, select the photo, and once you select the photo you can crop it. Basically whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so what you can do is basically select the part of a picture to be on your watch face, and you can zoom in, zoom out and move left and right. So select the part of the picture you like, then tap on continue, and here we have a preview of our watch face. You can also add another picture up to 8, as you can see here. So let's add another one just for example. So let's add this one like this. And once you're done with the customizations, tap on apply. It's gonna be downloaded and installed on your watch. And once it's done, it's gonna be basically applied. So let's wait. And as you can see, once it's done, the watch face will appear on your watch. And if you have multiple pictures, you can simply tap on the current picture to flip between them like this. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.